I don't know if you've noticed today, but the crypto markets are down, the stock markets are down, ETFs are down. But hey, the beautiful thing about all this is, guys, is when red is in the streets, we eat. This is a flash sale. You can buy Bitcoin for $99,000. What? When did that happen? We're seeing a lot of great deals right now where we can maximize some of our opportunities just by buying in the dip. There may be some stocks that you've been wanting to get into or some ETFs that you just couldn't afford before, but now with everything on sale, guys, there's the perfect time to be buying. Hopefully you have some dry powder on hand and you can get in on these deals while they last.
Crypto warning, markets are down right now. They're actually crashing and people are worried. I'm going to talk about it. A couple of days ago, we have a warning from Scott Bessent, who is the Secretary of Treasury, stating that some parts of America are already in a recession. And earlier today, we had Donald Trump, our president, saying that the United States could become a third world country without tariffs. And now we have an update on the government shutdown. What looked like was going to be November 14th, the end of this, well, now it's extended to November 28th. And this is not good, obviously, for Americans. All this bearish news, the markets are down, but I'm here to tell you that is not what you should be worried about, because December 1st of 2025 can be a massive crypto crash that nobody's talking about. Right now, banks are struggling with liquidity. They have no money, and as a result, they're borrowing money from the Federal Reserve. You do know December 1st of 2025 will be the end of QT. If you look at past history, usually after QT ends, shortly after, we see a massive crash in the markets. So be careful, crypto investors. Don't be surprised by this, because shortly after that, we do see quantitative easing, QE, where the Federal Reserve injects money into the markets. Now, if you think altcoin season is over, you are far from wrong. Make sure to share this information because the Great Reset is officially here.
And this is just the beginning of this type of news to come, guys. Now, we did see a couple of weeks ago, we had a stock market crash where 19 to $20 billion of cryptocurrency was wiped out. People sold in a panic. And then the market started to recover a little bit. But now it's even lower than the $108,000 that it was at 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks ago now, hitting $99,000 at one point today. That's crazy. And not only that, but XRP was down to $2.12 today as well. Now, you also realize that Facebook, Meta, is down 20% as well. All these stocks, guys, all these ETFs, they're tanking, but this is a buying opportunity. If we look at my portfolio alone, my investments are down $46 today, and a lot of that is going to be Bitcoin, which I'm down $56 overall. I'm down $12.79 just today alone. My other crypto position is XRP, where I'm down $4.19 today, $51 overall. Now XRP is back up to 260, but it was, well, 270 almost, but like I said, it was at 212 earlier. But what does this mean for me? Well, that means that I'm going to be buying these dips, guys. I'm not afraid when I see these types of numbers. I have strong conviction about both Bitcoin and XRP, so this doesn't scare me into selling my positions. And Bitcoin right now is hovering around $101,000. I'm okay with that because I do know that this is a long-term hold for me. I never would have got into this if I was planning on selling it within the first year of me investing in it. Now we see that other stocks are down. Nvidia is down. It's down $8.17 today and $2.27 in the after hours. I'm also down on this one today, $4.30, but I'm up $6.69 overall. Now, as I said already, these types of things don't bother me. I am invested in some of these more volatile individual stocks that are in the Magnificent Seven as well. But most of all, guys, in my investing retirement fund, my Roth IRA, things are still looking pretty decent. I'm down $12 today in my Roth IRA, but that's better than the 40 something bucks I'm down in my other account. Now we see that all of these are down. VOO is down about $8. QQI is down just a slight bit, down 90 cents. SCHD is down 5 cents. And the NASDAQ is down 49 cents. All in all, my most risky plays are in my investment portfolio. My Roth IRA, these stocks, they'll be fine, guys. They will bounce back. And I'm still going to continue to put as much money into them as possible. I'm not concerned here. Don't panic and start selling off all your positions right now. My mindset is if you're scared to lose it, you shouldn't be investing it. The one thing we do have to remember, guys, is there are always going to be ups, there's always going to be downs, and we've been in an extended bull run that has to come to an end sometime soon. So yes, we may see some downtrends in the stock market. Things may get bearish, but use these bear markets as an opportunity to load up on the great quality stocks that you've been wanting to get in on at, but the prices were just too high. Buy as much as you can while these prices are down, and don't think of it as the stocks plummeting. Think of it as the stock just went on sale. The ETFs just went on sale. Crypto just had a flash sale. And buy as much as you can and then hold on for dear life. I know times like this, FUD can get out of control, guys. Everything seems fearful and uncertain, and you just don't know what to do. But this is not the time to start panic selling. Hang in there, guys. Don't let what they're doing in DC get you distracted. Hang on, know what you have, let your convictions be strong. That's going to do it for this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, God bless.